Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with a close look at the Sepetrel pool brush head. Now, if you're a pool owner, you know how important it is to keep your pool walls clean and pristine. That's where the Sepetrel pool brush comes in. It's not just any pool brush, it's the best swimming pool brush available in the market today. Let's talk about what sets this brush apart from the rest. First off, it's built to last with a reinforced aluminum alloy metal structure. This makes it sturdy and durable while remaining lightweight for easy use. The curved edge design is a game changer. It allows you to tackle those hard-to-reach corners without the worry of damaging your pool liner. Plus, it's safe for vinyl liners. With a generous 17.5-inch extra-wide brush head, you can cover more surface area in less time, saving you both time and effort. And the angled aluminum handle keeps the brush in the perfect position for effective cleaning. But that's not all. The clip with hand protection feature ensures that your fingers stay safe when attaching or detaching the pole. And speaking of poles, this brush works with most standard 1-1/4 pool poles. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a top-quality pool brush that's built to last and delivers exceptional results, look no further than the Sepetrel pool brush head. It's the best swimming pool brush you'll find, hands down. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy swimming!